I saw 50 Cent got a little scared after seeing smoke on their private jet on their way to Puerto Rico. The rapper wanted to get off the plane, but played it off after realizing it wasn't a problem. Let's check it out.
They got us on the bumper. It's just smoking in there. Get me the f***ing ground. No, yeah. If we die, you gotta go first. Wait a minute, this don't feel right, man. Look at this, man. Y'all sure this boy, get me on the ground now. Nah, man, get me over. Where's that Lenny getting scared? It's smoking on the plane. Where's that Lenny getting scared? Don't panic, people. I made it. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Tell him I'm in Miami. Tell him I'm in Miami.
Where Jet Lenny's back. Puerto Rico was real. Love you, Puerto Rico. Where Jet Lenny. We back at it, baby. You see the vibe. We back at it, baby. We out here, baby.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.